Welcome to our latest video, where we discuss the recent buzz surrounding OpenAI's ChatGPT. Recently, reports have surfaced that Microsoft may be integrating ChatGPT into its search engine, and there have even been whispers that Google's position may be threatened. However, it seems that there are also those who are looking to capitalize on the popularity of ChatGPT by releasing fraudulent apps in the iPhone and Android app stores. One such app, named ChatGPT with GPT-3, had reportedly topped the productivity category rankings in multiple countries, but has since been removed from the App Store. Despite this, there are still many apps with ChatGPT in their name or description that remain on the App Store and the Google Play Store. These apps often claim to offer unlimited use of ChatGPT for a weekly or monthly subscription fee, but provide little to no value for the user. It's important to note that ChatGPT is free for anyone to use on their website, and OpenAI has not released an official mobile app. Additionally, the source code for ChatGPT is not open, and there is no official API. The trick of these fraudulent apps is to use the ChatGPT name to improve their own ratings and appear favorably in search results. It's not the first time app developers have tried to rip off popular websites and apps, but it's important for users to be aware that these apps offer no real value and are a waste of money. We hope that the administrators of these app stores will take swift and rigorous action to prevent further damage.